You see those houses, you see those mud houses there. This is home, my parents' home, or our home where I was born and raised. So I had a very long plan to build them a permanent house, and it has taken me so long for me to do it. So I began building last year, that is 2024, and end of November. So the materials began streaming in from what I had saved for, let's say, 10 years. That is a decade. And when I came home, we began with the foundation. As you can see, the foundation is all ready. The materials are here with us. This is ballast, and as you see where that he-goat is standing on, that's cement. That's where cement is enclosed. So I'm making this video to talk to my viewers, to let them know that I'm still around. I haven't gone anywhere. It's just one or two challenges, and the challenges that I have been facing is lack of finances. This project, as we speak, is currently stalled. This is, let's say, November. No, let's not count November. December, January, Feb, March, April, May, June. Hey, a whole 6 months. Oh my goodness. This project so far is 6 months old from inception. Whew. This project has taken my mental health. I think I have not been doing well mentally because of this project. It is stalled. It is stopped. I'll be showing you the progress of this house, and as you understand that building is not that easy, but what I had anticipated didn't even meet half of what was required. I don't know how this was, but even the materials are just expensive. We come to labor. In our village, there is no water. Let me tell you, there is no water in our village. So when you just think about constructing the house, I tell you, it's not just easy. So this is where the house is, the construction is. So it hasn't gone far from here, but I'll be showing you the video of how the house is. So now whatever is remaining here is iron sheets, timber, doors and windows, and also furnishing. So if there is anyone there, if there is any of my followers there who would like to support this project to continue, please, I really appreciate. I'll appreciate so much. So my number is in the my about, so you can hit me up, you can talk to me and see how we will go about it. This is from behind. This is still the same house. My goodness, I think this is is it Feb? I think this was February. Yes, this was February when I had came home. So this is my parents' home, and this is also my home because I do not have a home of my own. Hello, my lovely people. Welcome so much to my channel. I'm happy to be back in the village. So if you're new here, karibu sana. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and invite your friends and family to watch and subscribe. Behind me is a house that I have been building for my parents. It has taken me so long for me to complete the house because I ran out of finances. So there are no timbers, no iron sheet, and no doors and all that. So it's not been easy for me. It's not been easy for me for a couple of months now. Like now the last 6 months, because I have been thinking of how this project will continue.
Brayo nakenda ngamenya kuocha mondo niambiririe aya
Kavora.
kavora itwijaga kavora mundu ate yani no nginya vu gatagati itanavindukana vau gatagati ati mwe yani ngaji tukwiyambulire koguo tukavora
Tigani mendikana kuvandite tangava. Nilikuwa kidio mundu. Brai. Are mane goto. Eta ngoite.
asema hiyo kile
Eko. So now I want us to go inside, and this is the entrance. Here's one. This is the entrance, and it's so high, so the house is incomplete, and I want us to go and see. Wow. Come, let's get in. Now this is the sitting room, or you can call it dining area. Here's one, the first room, sitting room, dining area. You can see up to the top how the house looks like. So now after the sitting room, we come this way. There are 2 rooms here, bedrooms. So this is the first one. This is our first bedroom. This is how it looks like. Not a small one, not a big one. Possibly our parents' bedroom here. We have the second. This is the second bedroom here, and I can see some leftovers. These are some leftovers here, cement and ballast. So this is the second bedroom, and that is how it looks like. And then after the second, we have this area. This will be our laundry area. If there is someone who wants to do laundry in the house, this area will be the laundry area. And then we have here, this one is bathroom and toilet. This is where it will be. This is our bathroom and toilet will be here. And then there is another room here. Number 3. Bedroom number 3. This is it. This is how it looks like. Bedroom number 3. And then you can see the top, how it looks like this other side. Monte ningu live. Anakangwa sa standiri.